Hello, welcome to Pretty Plump and Trying. My name is Amanda. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're interested in beauty, plus size fashion, unboxings, and more, today I got my BoxyCharm for March 2021. Figured I would jump on real quick, show you guys what I got, as well as give you some information. So I happened to get the base box. The base box is $25 a month, and it promises you, I believe, 5 full-size products. I will leave some information down in the description box below, just so I don't have to go through the spiel over and over again. But yeah, I do get the base box, so I'm excited to show you what I got. So the theme for March is lucky. On the back, it shows you everything I got along with the retail value. So let's get started. The first thing I got is from the Crop Shop, and this is a Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask. There's a set of 3, and these retail for $18. So that's cute. And it also, you know, it's not like it's just one, so hopefully with the 3 you'll know if you like them or not. But let's see if it gives a little bit more information. It says that avocado moisturizes and targets dry skin, while green tea energizes and depuffs your under eye. So that's always good. Not mad at that. Let's see. The next one is from Cab Cosmetics. I hope I'm saying that right. And this is a hydrating lip oil in Honeydew. This retails for $20, and this is a decent size for any lip product, but it's definitely a decent size for lip oil, so I'm excited to try that. The next thing is from Maven Beauty, and this is a rose water setting spray. This retails for $22, and let me show you what the bottle actually looks like. My lighting is going in and out, so I am so sorry. Just a little heads up. I know, I'm sorry. But here's what the bottle looks like. It's cute. It's definitely looking brighter on camera, but it's not as bright, I assure you. Now, I know rose is one of those scents that people really love, really don't like, anything like that. So let's see if it's intense or not. You can definitely smell it, but it's not, I don't think it's crazy. Now that's just my opinion, but it definitely doesn't smell like potpourri, so we'll see what happens. I'm not mad at a setting spray, especially if it works, so we'll see. And sometimes, well, I think a lot of the time, that smell just kind of goes away, so we will see, and I will keep you posted. This lighting, I'm telling you. Okay, the next thing was my choice item, and this is Glow Recipe, and this is the Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream. So the box looks like. This retails for $39. Let's show you what it looks like. Really just nice packaging, and it is glass, so that's always cool. And it looks like there's a decent amount in there. Yeah, we'll see. Like I said, this retails for $39, and it just says it's a soothing, lightweight moisturizer that seals in lasting hydration without clogging pores. So that's really nice, and I do typically like Glow Recipe, so when I saw it as an option, I was about it, and I wasn't really keen on a lot of the choices this month, so, or yeah, for this month, so it's okay. Now, the final thing I got is the Venus 3 palette from Lime Crime. This is $38, and I actually own this one already, so let me show you the one that I got, because this one's going to go to one of my friends, so if she's watching, yeah, you're getting a palette. But here's what, let's show you, here's what the palette looks like. Now, when I first originally got this palette, gonna make a mess. When I first originally got this palette, I did not like this. I don't know if it was just user error or what it was, but I really didn't like it. So when I saw that I got it, I was like, you know what, let me retry it. Let's see what's going on and see if I feel differently about it now. And it's not my favorite palette, but it's definitely not as bad as when I first tried it initially. So that I'm happy about. I did this look today, so I will take off my glasses so you guys can see it. And it's nothing crazy, but I did like it more, so I am happy about that. And I kept it for a reason other than the fact that the packaging got me, because I'm a sucker for good packaging. But I did keep it, so I definitely was planning on coming back to it, but it just happened to work out when I saw it in this box. So again, I'm not mad at it. A lot happier this time around than I was the first time, because it was the first palette I got from Lime Crime, and I was not was not feeling it, but it was definitely a lot better this time around when I tried it. This palette, let's see, has lilac, rose gold, mauve, and earthy brown shades. Ultra buttery formula sweeps on richly pigmented color that doesn't fade or fall out. Now, this palette happens to be very powdery in my opinion. Again, I liked it a lot better this time, so I'm not mad at it. And I do like the look I came up with, but yeah, I think it's just kind of going to be a matter of preference. So if you don't mind it, which I don't mind a powdery formula, especially if it holds and if it lasts, then it's worth it. So it's going to kind of just be your opinion and what you think about it, as well as Lime Crime in general, because I know that brand can be a little hit or miss with people. So again, it's going to be your opinion whether or not you like it, but I was not as mad at it this time. So again, not bad. So there's my box. I hope everyone is doing amazing. And just a quick reminder that you are astounding, lovely, smart. And if today's not a good day, that's okay. All we can do is try. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.